Are you tired of the endless juggling act with inventory spreadsheets, feeling lost in the labyrinth of returns, and grappling with the challenges of order fulfillment? Welcome to FullStro, your business's centralized powerhouse. Imagine a single glance allowing you to effortlessly oversee every facet of your operation. Harness the might of FullStro as it equips you with barcodes, QR codes, and labels, ensuring impeccable product tracking accuracy. Enter our user-friendly order management system. Navigate through orders seamlessly, enhancing your customer's journey. Navigating returns is now a breeze, thanks to FullStro's cutting-edge return management feature. Tailor product attributes with precision using FullStro's product attribution management, taking charge of descriptions, categories, and pricing. Say goodbye to channel fragmentation. With FullStro's omni-channel fulfillment, you can connect your physical and online stores seamlessly with eBay, Amazon, Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, and more. Keep track and streamline your procurement to finished goods transition with FullStro's features for manufacturers. Command your storage realms effortlessly using the warehouse management feature. Say hello to efficient accounting. FullStro seamlessly orchestrates order management and generates polished invoices. Simplify inbound shipments with FullStro's purchasing and receiving functionality. Supplier management centralizes your partner information and performance metrics. Effortlessly choose carriers, automate labels, and provide real-time tracking through FullStro's shipping management. Sync your POS system seamlessly for accurate inventory updates with FullStro. Master access controls and permissions using our intuitive user permission management. Behold real-time inventory insights and inbound shipment notifications with centralized inventory management. Power your decisions with robust analytics and reporting features, optimizing your processes with precision. But that's not all. FullStro seamlessly integrates shipping partners such as DHL, FedEx, UPS, and USPS. Enjoy multiple payment integrations, including PayPal, Stripe, Amar Pay, FastSpring, and Paddle, with more to come. Get a free trial and kickstart your business revolution as we constantly add new features. Experience the future of fulfillment. Join us today